Hello guys, this is Liquid Ocelot and today I'm going to show you how to install and use slideshare.net. Save a lecture or two over there. This has been a requested video from me. So what I'm going to do is go to the Google Play Store on my Android device. Write down Slideshare. Try to install it. I've already installed it. Go over there, open it up. Now I have three options. Sign in using LinkedIn credentials, Facebook credentials, or SlideShare account credentials. So what I'm going to do is use LinkedIn. However, I know a lot of you guys use Facebook, so you can use those credentials as well. So I'll use my LinkedIn. I have autofill form and my Wi-Fi is connected. So let's sign in. I have signed in. I'll hit OK on the privacy policy. Go to search and enter an easy like synonyms. Synonyms. Synonymous, no. Synonyms. Yes. Search for it. I need some lectures for that. Presentations. And it's searching for me. I'll keep waiting. And somebody has posted synonyms, antonyms, and henonyms. And this is part of something which a lot of people are looking for, this exact thing. So I'm on this page, synonyms, antonyms, and henonyms. So I have came over here, and now look carefully, please. I'll hit this save button once again. Wi-Fi is on, so I'll try to save it. %. 83%. Saved. Now available offline and saved. So my friends, it took us a lot of time to save this, and this is the problem, my friends. That's why a lot of people are complaining to me that they cannot save their lectures or whatever they are looking for. And now what I'm going to do, my friends, is show you that this lecture, synonyms and antonyms, is saved under you. So I'll switch off the Wi-Fi, switch off the application, and then open it again in offline mode. Look at it, my friends, offline mode, and then go to you, open this lecture up, and I can view it in offline. So see, my friends, this is how easy it was. And the problem was that this saved, my friends. You have to keep tapping it until you save it, like the application downloads it 100%, so that it gets into your library, SlideShare library, which over here is you. So my friends, I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you are facing any more issues. I'll be signing off. Take care.